Hey y'all, it's Shani, Certified Feline Training and Behavior Specialist with Wild at Heart. And do you have a cat or kitten that's constantly biting you? This phenomenon called single kitten syndrome is not based in actual science. It's more anecdotally noted between cat behavior consultants and people in cat rescue. Single kitten syndrome refers to the fact that some kittens are separated from their mom and their siblings way too soon, specifically before they're 2 months of age. Kittens learn a ton of social and play skills from their mom and their siblings, very specifically bite inhibition. But not every kitten who has been separated from their mom and their siblings too soon is going to suffer from this single kitten syndrome. Likewise, you can have a kitten that is with their mom and their siblings for the appropriate time, and they still can have issues with biting. That's because all cats and kittens need to bite. It is an instinctual behavior that they need to do every single day. So we will never ever train biting out of our cats and kittens. What we can do is provide them with a lot of opportunities to bite things that we would prefer them to bite versus our skin. The best thing to do if you have a cat or kitten that's constantly biting you is to play with them more, because that is working on the prevention of the problematic behavior by providing them with an outlet to express that very natural instinct. We also need to remember that if your cat does happen to bite you, you need to not punish the cat or reinforce that behavior. You should be ignoring and redirecting, because again, that behavior is a very normal behavior for the cat. So if you punish them, they're not going to understand that, because in their little kitty brain, there's nothing wrong with biting. Watch my video on Does Your Cat Attack and Bite You for further assistance, or join one of my lives and I will try to help. And yes, if you have a single kitten, another cat or kitten who is not biologically related to that kitten can certainly help teach that kitten some very important social and play skills. But we need to remember that there is no better teacher than that kitten's mom and siblings. And science has told us that kittens should stay with mom and siblings until about 12 to 14 weeks if possible. This is going to have the best outcome for their medical and behavioral health. So I can't stress this enough. Leave kittens with their mom and their siblings until it's time for them to be adopted out. Most shelters are doing this around 2 months of age, but again, science has shown us that it is 12 to 14 weeks is the sweet spot for the best outcome medically and behaviorally.